Hey folks, I wanted to tell you a little bit about this detox that I started over spring break, which turned into social distancing. You'll see a link to the website with this video. You can check out all of the questions you might have, ingredients, testimonials, and all of that other fun stuff on that page. But I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience so far. So to tell you what I ordered the 4-item pack. It is the smallest pack that you can start with. And so I thought that was a good place to start. The sort of signature product is the detox, the daily detox, and that's what I started taking. This product calls for 10 drops twice daily with water. And so what I started doing is I decided that I was going to start with half. And so I did, I think 2 or 3 days with 5 drops, and then I moved it up to 6, 7, and today was, I was on 8 drops. So I'm not quite on the full dose. I'm doing 8 drops a day today, and then I'll move up towards 10. Going along with that, kind of the complementary product is the Restore. You can see that. The Restore, you are supposed to put 10 drops in cold liquid. So I've used it in water and I've done it in white grape juice, just because that's sort of my preference. It doesn't make it taste different or anything like that. And I also started off with a half a dose. So this you're only supposed to do once a day. And so I started off with 5 drops the first day, moved up. Today I was on 8 drops of this. And so the two of those products kind of work together with each other. The detox has the zeolites that are, fine particles crushed up to do sort of a full body detox. And then the Restore helps bring in, it has 92 trace minerals to kind of bring back to your body. And so you use those together. Sort of an optional product that you can use with it is a CBD tincture. There are also CBD gummies and other products as well that you can use. This one is the natural 750 milligram. And so for this, it says that you should use a dropper full twice a day or as needed. So I have been using it twice a day, and I have consistently done half a dropper twice a day since I started. So again, not the full dose, only half a dose thus far on this. And so that's kind of in addition to that. And then finally, this pack came with a 4th product, the HGH Revival Cell Restoration. So I'll show you that. It's a little pump bottle. The recommended dose is to use it twice daily, a little pump, and you put it on your inner arm. So right here and here, you're supposed to do it. It says about 10 minutes before you do physical activity or showering or anything like that. And so in the morning, I do it after I shower to make sure it stays on there. And then I do it in the evening before bed. And so this is supposed to help kind of bring back youthful mind, mood, and body is what it says. It won't make you 25 again, but it'll help combat the symptoms of aging and make you feel younger. And so I want to say that, as you've noticed, I started off with half a dose of most of the products and have been slowly increasing. But one thing that I noticed from day one is a little bit of a boost of energy. Not in the way that caffeine does. I actually, those of you who know me know that I do not use caffeine at all. Well, I drink hot green tea every day. So just that like tiny, easy little bit, but I don't drink sodas that are caffeinated. I don't drink coffee. It's not my thing. And so I was a little bit afraid that the energy boost was going to be a bit like that caffeinated feeling, which I really don't like and try to avoid. But it wasn't. It was just a bit more energy to make me feel a little bit more motivated to get going. Again, those of you who know me know that I love staying in bed. I just have a rough time kind of getting up and going in the morning. This one sort of helps with that, these products sort of help with that and have given me that little extra boost to get going and get started every day. It's been especially tough with being at home most days and, not really needing to get up and get ready and push myself for the day. It can be really difficult. It can feel really just this, it can create this cycle of lack of motivation and just not getting anything done, and then negative and depressed feelings for me, and perhaps for many of us. And this just kind of helps me to get past that a little bit. And so I'm interested to see what happens a little bit more on the long run with this as I get to the full dose and start taking that consistently every day. As you can see on the website, when you take a look, there's testimonials of all different things that people were looking for this product to help with. Me personally, it is that little bit of energy and to push past that lack of motivation that sometimes I have. And so I was definitely looking for that, but there are other things that potentially could be helpful. I saw a testimonial about kidney stones. And again, if you know what I've been going through since November, I've been dealing with issues with kidney stones and had to have surgery and have been dealing with testing and stuff. And so maybe it'll help prevent me from getting kidney stones again. So there's lots of different things that this could potentially be helpful for once I am able to get through this first detox. I'm going to start trying some of the other products for you guys to hear a little bit more about. But like I said, check out the website. If you're interested in getting started, go ahead. It's risk-free. If you don't like it, you can always send it back, get your money back. You can try out some of the other products. Let me know how it's going for you. I'd love to hear from you. I look forward to our journey doing this together.